Hello YouTube, this is iPhone Access team. Today I'm gonna show you how to use your iPhone without a single press to your home button. First of all, you have to download Sbsetting from Cydia. Sbsetting and Activator. They will download together. First you go to search and then hit Sbsetting, Sbsetting, and then download it, and after that you'll find it in your screen. Here Sbsetting and here Activator. Now you have to hit Activator, and then anywhere, and then look to status bar, and here you will choose swipe left, and it would be Sbsetting. I mean, when you touch it like this to left, swipe it like this to left, you will get Sbsetting menu, and it has many useful icons like this. And if you want to stop any app, just hit process and then hit like this. You'll close any apps you already working. And the other one is swipe right. And now uncheck Sbsetting and look to home button, simulate a press of home button, and then when you swipe like this, it would be closed. If I open SSH, it would be closed like this. Stocks would be closed. Yeah. And the other movement would be 3 fingers in gesture. You'll choose this tab and then look to multi-touch gesture, and then 3 fingers pinch, and then look to home button, simulate as a press of home button, and when you touch by your 3 fingers, it will be closed. Whatever you did would be the 3 finger will close any app on your screen. If you haven't this status bar, you will need to do okay. That's very nice and useful 3 movement of Activator. And then Sbsetting, here you will choose many kind of options as the theme of Sbsetting. You have many kind. If you want to preview any of them, you will see it here, and if you want this, it will be here. And after all, you'll close them by your 3 fingers. I hope you like that. Thanks for watching my channel, and I hope you like them and leave subscribe, and peace.